Hi,
Hello,
I'm Skylar,
I'm Maddie.
and we're going to try the cinnamon challenge.
Uh-huh.
So, see, here we have 2 spoons of cinnamon up to the top. Try this.
Maddie! Cheater.
Is it good? It's not good, is it?
You have to do it, Maddie. Sorry about that.
Good now. You good, Maddie?
That's not good.
Did you eat it?
Mm-hmm. Yay, you got the cinnamon challenge.
Okay, bye. I'm going to go take her to the hospital.